There you go, guys. Just thought I'd do a bit of a short video of the Discovery 3 here. I've got 15 years on now, so you know, give you a bit of a walk around her and see what sort of condition it's in. You know, she's coming up 400,000 k's now, so yeah. So here we are. There she is. She's a good old girl, this one. Got me around a few places. Getting a bit rough in places now, but yeah, here's the original bloody size wheels on her. I don't believe in really putting great big wheels on. It puts more stress on your drive chain and all other sorts of the motor and gearbox, the whole damn lot, I think. There she is there. I repainted the bonnet on her. She was getting a bit grubby, a bit sunburned with the sun up here. Same with the roof. Yeah, a bit dirty on it now, but still in pretty good nick for its age, I guess. If you look inside her, there's the original. The old leather seats getting a bit shabby, but I've got covers on them now. We've got a DVD player there and a GPS, CB radio there. Pretty good condition. Take it back to the door. The old roof lining coming down a bit sagging down, but it doesn't worry me much. I'll get round and putting it up one of these days, but it's a typical Land Rover thing, isn't it? Wood lining dropping down, but then again, you know, it's been around a while, I guess. I'll just turn the old key on. Yeah, just to show you the mileage on it. 394,000. And she's driver's door open. Usually shows the temperature about 30 degrees here today. Yeah. And yeah, it's a bit dirty, but still in pretty good nick, I guess. So she's been around and about out in the bush a bit, this old girl. She's been, those tyres seem to do the job. I'm not particularly worried about the rubber on it. Pretty dry around the outback of Australia. You don't get that bloody wet. Except in the wet. I'll pull the bonnet on her. There's the old heartbeat in there. I'll just crank her up and just give you a listen to the donk. Fan humming away there, there's nothing with the motor. That's pretty sweet. It's only got 30 degrees today, so it's probably cooling itself down. Got a compartment there for the second battery, but I haven't got one in there. I've replaced the lower control arms in the front. It's only the first time I've done it. See them in there. They're replaced in there. New ones. Yeah, control. I replaced that air strut there because I thought it was buggered, but it wasn't. It was a little valve block in the front there. So they replaced it for nothing. But all the other three that are on it are still original. I don't know, you might be able to see it here. See the date on there, 7th of the 4th of 05. They're all the same, except that other one I replaced. Replaced the ride height sensor there. Replaced that one. And the bloke told me I had a ride height there. I had the suspension calibrated. It was just a little bit out on a couple of wheels, so the bloke reckoned that was out. But in the back of it here, got my tools and stuff in these compartments. Always can carry the tools around. Made myself up this roof rack. I have a couple of old fence Telstra what's the names? Fences. When we come down here, I'll show you the other the control arm that I took out. That were the original ones. So I did them about 5,000 k back, I guess. There's the date on there, the top. (205), 12th of April. 12th of April 2005. That's when they were put in from new. So there's nothing really bad about them at all. This thing here's done 395,000 k's and still on the original airbags. It's all the bullshit about the airbags being no good. There's proof in the pudding. And ride height sensors, they're all original ones that are on it. The old one I have here somewhere that come out of it. There's the old it's the old style one. The other one's now a bit thinner than that. These things here, they get a bit loose, get a bit floppy and cause codes to come up. Suspension codes to come up. It's not really that much at all. It's only 180 bucks for one of those. Put it in myself, took about 15 minutes. And the new one's a new upmarket one. Yeah, I got that from Bear Mark. So there you go. Apart from that, I've done the foot brake switch, given it services. I've done the brakes on it a couple of times. I've got new rotors. I did them about 40k back, 40,000 k back. I did the brakes and they're still alright. Those tyres that are on there have done I'll be around about 50,000 k now. They're good tyres. They're Bravo, Maxxis Bravo. Still got meat on them. And like anywhere you go in the territory here, it's always 300 k's, 400 k's, no matter which direction you go from Catherine to get anywhere decent. Like Tennant Creek, 600 odd k. Brisbane, bloody Darwin is 316 k. So up there and back 600 odd k. And when you're talking about big lags and it's remote, mate. There's nothing out there. So it's never let me down. This girl, never let me down at all. She's a beauty. Proud of it. Great machine. Comfortable. Go anywhere you poke a stick at. I did a lot of gold prospecting. I've been out in the scrub looking for gold, and I've been all over bloody all up and down rivers and barra fishing and all off-road work with this girl. She can take me anywhere I want to go. And yeah. There you go. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the old like button. And have a good day. See you later.